Now the topic is structure of shoot apical meristem. Shoot stands for the stem, that is the apical meristem that is present at the tip of the stem. It's called shoot apical meristem. First of all, the size and shape. It varies among the spermatophyta, that is the pedophyta, gymnosperm, and angiosperm. So their size and shape varies in three categories, that is pteridophyta, gymnosperm, and angiosperm. They may be convex or in the form of a narrow cone with rounded tip or slightly concave. In angiosperm, apices are small. In gymnosperm, apices are cone shaped and narrow, that are present in the conifers, but 3 to 8 times as wide as high in ginkgo and cycas as compared to these conifers. This is 3 to 8 times as wide and high in ginkgo and cycas. These ginkgo, cycas, and conifers belong to the gymnosperm, while in angiosperm, these apices are very small. This is about the size and shape of the shoot apical meristem. So there are different theories regarding the structure of the shoot apical meristem. First simple theory was the apical cell theory. This, according to this apical cell theory, single apical cells is responsible for the formation of different part of the plant body, and is known as apical cell theory. This is applicable to the Pteridophyta, and it is found this type of apical cells are found in Pteridophyta. Here the cell is shown at the tip, and it is called apical. This region is called apical cells, and they are responsible for the formation of different part of the plant body, known as apical cell theory. Apical cells are four-sided. There are some features. One is the apical cells are four-sided. Number two, cells in some water ferns, Salvinia and Azolla, cells are three-sided. This is the simple apical cell of the shoot apex in Equisetum. This Equisetum also belongs to the Pteridophyta. So the simple apical cell theory tells about the structure of apical meristem in Pteridophyta. Now comes the histogen theory. This second theory was developed by the Hansteen. He also gave some important features about the apical structure of the apical meristem. According to him, main plant body develops from the mass of meristem present at the tip, and it consists of histogen. This histogen actually has the three parts. This histogen actually has the three part.